Hi, my name is Archie. Welcome to our channel. I am showing you my DIY pea sheller that I built, finishing up on it today, and wanted to tell you just a little bit about it. And that pea sheller, building one, can be a rewarding project, especially if you grow your own peas or beans. Some of the reasons why people choose to build their own pea shellers are the customization of one. When you build your own pea sheller, you have the freedom to customize it according to your specific needs. You can adjust the size, the materials, and features to match what you would like to have in one. It's a cost savings when you build your own. Commercial pea shellers can be quite expensive. In building your own pea sheller, you can save money over purchasing one. For example, I built a home-built pea sheller using wood and steel, and it cost me less than $900, including the motors and the bearings that went into this and the hinges. You can be a self-sufficient person when you build your own pea sheller, and some people enjoy the satisfaction of creating something functional with their own hands. And building a pea sheller allows you to be self-sufficient and resourceful. Efficiency in one. Shelling peas by hand can be time-consuming and tedious, and a well-designed pea sheller can significantly speed up the processes. I know last year when I was trying to shell my own peas, I had a large garden, and shelling peas got to be quite a chore. My fingers, I think, still hurt from last year, and that's what gave me the motivation to build my own pea sheller. When you build your own pea sheller, as I've mentioned, it's worth spending a few hours to create a machine that can shell peas quickly and efficiently. If you harvest large quantities of a garden, a large quantity of peas, or harvest a substantial amount of peas or beans, a pea sheller can be a valuable tool. The pea sheller, for instance, can shell a bushel of black-eyed beans, peas, or purple hull peas in less than 30 minutes. Based on the designs that you find on the internet, you can adjust it according to your own needs as far as the size and the materials that you build in one. For example, the one I built used wood slats for the drum, plywood for the ends, 1/4 inch wire mesh for the separators in there, and hickory for the beaters. And I also included in here that I did not use any finishes on the inside of this. What you see is just the raw wood, and the peas can come through there without the fear of any contaminants or any toxic materials getting into them. And you have to remember also that building a pea sheller requires some mechanical skills and access to tools. If you don't have the tools to build it with, it makes it a little more difficult. You can still do it, but the end result can make your pea shelling process more efficient and enjoyable. I hope that you enjoyed these series of videos. I'll link them in at the end here, and you can see them and go to them and maybe build your own. I hope so. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a blessed day.